Assalamualaikum to Doctor and our fellow classmates. This is our group assignment presentation. Our members is Muhammad Aiman Hakim bin Ramli, number matric CE210142. Second member is Muhammad Idham Izzuddin bin Ibrahim, number matric CE210047. And the third member is Amza Azril bin Amruddin, CE210143. This is the content that we have for this presentation. The first is question 1, question 2 that has problem, calculated solve and MATLAB solve. And then third is conclusion. Okay, for the question 1, I pass to Amza Azid to present.
Okay, for the question 1, problem statement. A manufacturer want to make a cylindrical can to hold 255 cm cube of soap. Find the dimensions such that the surface area is as small as possible to decrease the cost of the can. Okay, so this solve. So start with the formula of cylinder, that is volume equal to pi r squared h. 250 pi equal to pi r squared h. And we get the height first, so 250 pi per pi r squared equal to h. So h equal to 250 per r squared. So we count the surface area. So 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi r h equal to 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi r in bracket 250 per r squared equal to 2 pi r squared plus 500 pi equal to r per r. And we get a equal to 2 pi r squared plus 500 pi r power of -1. So from that the answer we differentiate it, so it becomes equal to 4 pi r minus 500 pi r power of -2, and we differentiate again and be equal to 0. So 4 pi r minus 500 pi r power of -2, 100 pi r -2 equal to 4 pi r. So 125 per r squared equal to r, and the r squared we move to the right, so we get r cube equal to 125, and the answer is r equal to 5. So we sub r into the formula h equal to 250 per r squared, equation that we find at above. So h equal to 250 per 5 squared. So we get h equal to 10. Okay, next we differentiate again. So P2A per dr2 equal to 4 pi plus 1000 pi r power of -3. We sub r is equal to 5. So 4 pi plus 1000 pi equal to 5 power of -3. 4 pi plus 1000 pi per 5 cube. 4 pi plus 1000 pi per 125. 4 pi plus 8 pi equal to 12 pi. So from that we get d2a per dr2 is greater than 0. That is the minimum value.
Okay, for the MATLAB solve. First, from the calculated solve, we change the equation to get the r equal to 500 times pi over 4 times pi power of 1 over 3, that is -3. And then after that we get r equal to 5, and then we put r into h equation, that is 250 over r power of 2, and then we get 10. Then for the SA equation, we put the equation is 4 times pi plus 1000 times pi times 5 power of -3, and then we get 37.5 0.6991, that is 12 pi. Next.
For question 2, the problem statement is find the area below fx equal to minus x power 2 plus 4x plus 3 and above gx uh, equal to negative x power 3 plus 7x power 2 minus 10x plus 5 over the integral 1 equal or less by x and x equal or less by 2. In figure below, we show that two curves together with the desired area shade, then F alone with the area under F shade, and then G alone with the area under G shade. So the first graph is the area that we have to find. Second graph is state to function S, and the third graph is function gx. Okay, next. Okay, to find the area, we need to minus the function x and function g. So after we minus, we have to integrate, and then we will get modulus x power 4 over 4 minus 8x power 3 over 3 plus 7x power 2 minus 2x. So we enter the value 2 and then enter the value 1. So we minus this 2, and the final answer we will get 49 over 12. Next.
Okay, for the MATLAB solve, we use integrals commands, that is SYMSX, and then for integrate is INT. First, we put the fx equation, that is negative x power of 2 plus 4 times x plus 3. And then for gx is negative x power of 3 plus 7 times x power of 2 sub with 10 times x plus 5. And we put the equation n equal to fx minus dx. Then we put int, that is integral. And then we put the n, x, and 1 and 2. 1 and 2 is for the modulus for f minus dx. And then we get the answer is 49 over 12. That
In conclusion, by using differentiation and integration method, a piece of data can be calculated with this method. This can make easier for those involved in engineering problem to calculate any input or output before the renew process is done. By using software such as MATLAB, can also provide data similar to what is calculated. This software will be more convinced and save time because it using MATLAB. They only need to enter data to get the output they are looking for. It is clear here that differentiation is used to study the small change of quantity with respect to unit charge of another. On the other hand, integration is used to add small and discrete data which cannot be at singularity and represent setting in the single value.